Hey guys, Megan here, and I was Charlotte and Nia, and we're in the river and we're putting our feet in. It's fucking freezing. Ready? Right, no, Nia, don't put yours in yet. I'm gonna put mine in first, completely. They're completely dry. Ready? Fuck. Ah! Ready? Oh, I'm gonna drop my phone and we'll be squeezing into
I won't.
Fuck.
Go in! Put it in! Megan! I'll put mine all in.
You fucking won't.
Ready? Ready? Watch.
Towel. They're not all in. They're not all in.
Harassment with water! Harassment with is abusing my feet with coldness! My feet. Nia, can I borrow your towel?
Actually, it's mine, but fucking hell. No, Nia, we need it, darling.
I need.
Sit on my bag. I don't care about my bag. Sit on my bag. Get up, get. Come on.
Okay. Hang on.
Ah! I fell in! I did fall in! Let's fly.
All I could feel was my feet touching it. I was like, oh.
Right, me and Charlotte are going to keep our feet in for 10 seconds. Ready? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Megan, can I borrow your towel, please? Megan, can I please borrow your towel?
I can't feel my feet.
Megan!
Yeah.
Again.
Can't walk.
Well, so I just got
Yeah.
I need those flip-flops. Don't go for the water.
Charlotte, doesn't matter anyway, because we can just try the flip-flops. Hey guys, back. And, sorry, I had to pause that then. Nearly fucking died. Anyways, trying to fucking wash my feet, yeah. Hey guys, Michael here. Hey. What the fuck are we doing? Sorry, love. No.
Just for a minute, just to walk the bed.
No. No.
On the tree.
No.
Tears.
No.
Tears. On my video.
So look how much my fucking trousers are wet, guys. It's actually really nice.
Wow.
Really pretty. Sun's been out again, guys. That's how I fucking like it. Shaw, what the fuck are you doing? What's this? Got fucking over. I fucking bang on me. Guys, the next time you see me, I'll be up there. Never mind, guys. I'm walking over to Charlotte with no fucking shoes on. Because she wants me for some particular reason. This fucking river would be nice if it didn't have so much fucking
Look how big these are,
rubbish. Oh. What? I ain't got fucking no shoes. Nia, can I have my shoes? No, let me just borrow them so I can. Okay, guys, we're going down the fucking thing. Nia's got no shoes. Trying to get yours.
Yeah.
Fuck off, you already said no.
What?
Yes.
Use yours really quick.
Huh?
Can I use yours really quick?
Why? Get on the stones?
Yeah.
Just get on the stones. It's not wet there,
Actually,
anyway.
I will get my shoes.
Megan,
help me move all those rocks so we can let the water in the earth.
Why?
So what?
We want to leave the water out so we can build a dam, dipshit.
Why do you want to build a dam? There's no point.
Because then we can have our own little space sitting area. I'll be back now, guys.
Yeah?
Okay, so what the plan of attack is, guys?
What the plan of attack is?
We're gonna take steps in this river. No, one of us is gonna go over there to of us actually. Then one of us is going to be over there, and then we're going to play stepping stones. Just easier. Then maybe later we'll play like put it down and stuff. So I'm going to end the video now. Right, start again. I'm going to end the video now, guys, because then I forget, like, start and all that. So, peace, guys! Say bye.
Peace. Say bye.
Peace! Say bye, Nia.
Bye.